Learn English with Story. In this video, we will learn English in 3 steps. Step 1. Words to learn. Small,
small,
peaceful,
peaceful,
colorful,
colorful,
friendly,
friendly,
young,
young,
curly,
curly,
sparkling,
sparkling,
green,
green,
play,
play,
gentle,
gentle,
sunny,
sunny,
soft,
soft,
pitiful,
pitiful,
tiny,
tiny,
gray,
gray,
lonely,
lonely,
playful,
playful,
furry,
furry,
comfy,
comfy,
warm,
warm,
fast,
fast,
teary,
teary,
sought,
sought,
search,
search,
looking,
looking,
deep,
deep,
meow,
meow,
joy,
joy,
quickly,
quickly,
came together,
came together,
kindness,
kindness,
compassion,
compassion,
perseverance.
perseverance.
Step 2. Story. Once upon a time, in a quaint village nestled in the heart of the countryside, lived a small but vibrant community. The village was known for its peaceful atmosphere, with houses painted in colorful shades and friendly neighbors who always greeted each other with warm smiles. One day, an unexpected event unfolded that would touch the hearts of everyone in the village. In this village lived a young girl named Mia. With her curly brown hair and sparkling blue eyes, she was a source of joy for everyone around her. Mia loved nothing more than to explore the green meadows and play along the banks of the gentle stream that meandered through the village. It was on a particularly sunny morning that Mia's life took a delightful turn. While wandering by the stream, Mia's ears caught a soft and pitiful sound. She followed the sound's trail, which led her to a hidden spot among the tall grass. There, nestled in the midst of nature's embrace, was a tiny gray kitten. The kitten looked up at Mia with lonely eyes, and Mia's heart melted. She gently lifted the kitten into her arms, feeling its tiny heartbeat against her palm. The kitten's eyes held a playful glint, and Mia knew that they were meant to be friends. Mia decided to take the kitten home with her. She named it Whiskers, a name that suited the kitten's adorable furry features. Back at home, Mia created a comfy corner for Whiskers to rest and play. She made sure to provide him with warm milk and loving care. The villagers marveled at Mia's kindness and how well she looked after her newfound friend. As days turned into weeks, Mia and Whiskers became fast companions. They explored the village together, and Whiskers would often curl up on Mia's lap, purring contentedly. The sight of Mia and her kitten warmed the hearts of all who saw them. However, one evening, after a day of play and adventure, Mia returned home to find Whiskers missing. Panic welled up inside her, and her eyes turned teary as she frantically searched every nook and cranny of her home. Whiskers was nowhere to be found. Determined to find her furry friend, Mia sought out her friends and neighbors. Together, they searched every corner of the village, looking beneath bushes and behind fences. The sun began to set, and the sky turned a deep shade of blue. Mia's heart felt heavy with worry. Just as Mia was about to give up hope, she heard a faint meow echoing from a nearby alley. Her heart raced as she followed the sound, and there, trapped behind a stack of old boxes, was Whiskers. Mia's eyes lit up with joy as she quickly moved the boxes aside and scooped up her beloved kitten. The village came together in cheers as they witnessed Mia and Whiskers reunited. Mia's kindness and determination had brought her beloved friend back to safety. From that day on, Whiskers became a cherished member of the village, and his playful antics brought smiles to young and old alike. This heartwarming tale teaches us that compassion, friendship, and a little bit of perseverance can lead to the most delightful of outcomes. As the village continued to thrive, the story of Mia and her lost kitten became a cherished memory, a reminder of the power of love and the bonds that unite us all. Step 3. Words to learn again. Small.
Small.
Peaceful.
Peaceful.
Colorful.
Colorful.
Friendly.
Friendly.
Young.
Young.
Curly.
Curly.
Sparkling.
Sparkling.
Green.
Green.
Play.
Play.
Gentle.
Gentle.
Sunny.
Sunny.
Soft.
Soft.
Pitiful.
Pitiful.
Tiny.
Tiny.
Gray.
Gray.
Lonely.
Lonely.
Playful.
Playful.
Furry.
Furry.
Comfy.
Comfy.
Warm.
Warm.
Fast.
Fast.
Teary.
Teary.
Sought.
Sought.
Search.
Search.
Looking.
Looking.
Deep.
Deep.
Meow.
Meow.
Joy.
Joy.
Quickly.
Quickly.
Came together.
Came together.
Kindness.
Kindness.
Compassion.
Compassion.
Perseverance.
Perseverance. Thank you for watching.